Hey, Cass, or Jen,
What does it say?
turn that volume all the way down. It's competing with everything else. Thanks.
There. What does EE make? There. EE makes E. Come on, it's louder. No. One sound at a time. Stick. And look what it's got with it. What does it got with it? Oh, pretty Cassie. She's got tights and a beautiful little gymnastics outfit. Look at that. Daddy didn't even get to see all the stuff I got for her, I don't think.
No, I was.
Thanks, Daddy.
Oh,
Thank you, Mom.
I
You're welcome.
was entertaining Jamie
You'll
in
have
Chicago.
to take her to rhythmic gymnastics sometime with your outfit on. It's so pretty.
More.
All right, Cassie's cleaning up her stuff. Good job. I'll take that. Yeah. You can play with everything when you're done. More.
And then we have more stuff like that.
Stuffing in there. There's just stuffing.
Yes, there are.
Stuffing, I think, is all I saw in there.
Thank you. I got Kung Fu Panda.
That's just what you wanted, wasn't it?
Funny.
Yeah, you love Stick It.
Stop what?
Oh, he's been waiting for that Kung Fu Panda. Let her play. She's fine.
He's been saying, I want the Kung Fu Panda.
He's been wanting that Kung Fu Panda. You like that?
Yeah.
All right.